Good morning, students. Today we will see birth control. So, how is birth control going on and the different methods of birth control. So, the first of all, birth control means to avoid the pregnancies, to avoid the unwanted fertilizations. It means to make the family planning. Means it's going the sexual life going to be continuously, but we don't want the child. Don't want to babies. Okay. So to avoid the fertilizations, to avoid the unwanted pregnancy, simple. So birth control mainly happens by two ways. One is your temporary methods, one is your permanent methods. In temporary methods, there are several further types. There are your natural methods, your coitus interruptus, that is your withdrawal method, your lactations, menorrhea, your chemical and your mechanical. So natural methods, what happen? It's a simple. When there is a population or when there is sexual intercourse, so we have to the male and the female partner maintain the period, a safe period, that is before the week of menstruation and after the week of menstruation, because ovulation done on the 14th of day. Okay, so 14th of the day there is the ovulation. So the male partner and the female partner, if there is sexual intercourse, so before the week of the menstrual bleeding and after the week, so there is a safe period. So there is never to be fertilization process. Second, your coitus interruptus or withdrawal. In that case, when there is a population, so the male partner, what he is that he have to withdraw his penis before the ejaculation of the semen into the vaginal area. Simple. When it's feel that there is a ejaculation of semen, so he withdraws. When there is a population, he withdraws his penis from the vagina. So there is no fertilization, because there is the insemination process. The semen not to be in the vaginal area. So there is the insemination. Okay, simple. There is lactation, or you can say the amenorrhea. Amenorrhea means absence of menstrual cycle. Absence of menstrual cycle. So when the mother feeds the baby, milk feed to the baby, means a lactation period. So at the time when there is a partition means after delivery there is an absence of menstrual cycle. Till 6 months, 8 months, 10 months, as the female hormones secreted by the woman. So after the pregnancy, the menstrual cycle stops. So if there is no menstrual cycle, so it is the safe period for sexual intercourse. There is no there is no fertilization, simple way. Okay. So when there is a lactation or menstruation period, you can do the sexual intercourse very blindly. Fourth is your chemical spermicide. Spermicide science means to kill sperm. In that chemical, what it is, the female partner, some tablets, jellies, foams, cream, she have to use the creams, foam tablets into the vaginal area. Before the population, she have to use the creams, jellies to the vaginal area. She have to apply to the vaginal area during the population process, so that if there is a population and the male partner ejaculates the semen inside the vaginal area, so the tablets, cream, whatever the jelly are, what they did, they kill the sperm. They kill the sperm. So if they kill the sperm, there is a fertilization not to be happen. Simple. Next is your mechanical method. Fifth is your mechanical method. In that method, the physical barrier which are allowed, does not allow to enter the egg and sperm. Okay, sperm और egg को एक होने नहीं देता है मैकेनिकल. उसमें क्या है तुम्हारा? First is your condom, second is your diaphragm, third is your IUD, intrauterine devices. So condom is made up for rubber, thin rubber, which are made for the male partner. It is a rubber type part, slightly rubber part. So it is made for male partner. When the population, the male partner cover the penis with the help of condom. So if there is ejaculation, so the semen get to be ejaculated in the condom. So there is not the sperm and the egg, they are not get met because the semen is found in your condom. You have to destroy after the ejaculations. Second is your diaphragm. Diaphragm is as same as the condom process, because the male method is your condom, so the female is diaphragm. Diaphragm is also same like that. It's made up of rubber. The female partner, the diaphragm inserted into the vagina before the copulations. So if the male partner is not using the condom, so the female partner is using the diaphragm. So what the diaphragm do? Diaphragm does not allow the semen goes to the cervix. Okay. सर्विक्स में वो सीमेन को जाने नहीं देगा. इफ इट इज नॉट पासिंग टू द सर्विक्स, so there is not fertilization process. Simple. It is made up of a thin rubber. Next is your intrauterine devices, IUD. Your intrauterine devices. In that case, what happens? There is a copper T and let me tell you, a copper T and a loops T, copper T. Actually, this T is have like that. So if this is your uterus, so the copper T push here. Let me tell you. Then next is your lips loops. Lips loop. So these are the mechanical devices which are made up of plastics or any objects. The trained nurses and the paramedical staff and the doctors, which are gynecologists, which inserted the T, loop T or the copper T inside the uterus of the woman. So when there is a copulation, so if the male partner does not use the condoms or the female partner does not use the diaphragm, so if they are using that copper T, so what it is, if the semen is get inserted into cervix, so the copper T washed out the endometrium layer, washed out the endometrium layer, so there is not be fertilization get occur. वहाँ पे fertilization होगा ही नहीं. Okay, so the copper T inserted in you, and okay. So next is same as the loop T, they clean the uterus, they clean the menstruum, so there is not fertilization. So it's a safe method also. Next is your physiological oral devices. Physiological oral devices means the female, she don't want to baby or she don't want to get pregnant. So there is a outer medicines, Maladi, Sahili, these types of medicines. Let me tell you, Maladi. These are the pills which contain the estrogens and progesterone. What they did, they don't allow to release the egg from the ovary. If there is not release of the egg ovary, वहाँ से egg निकलेगा नहीं, तो fertilization होगा ही. The tablets used once in a week by the female partner. एक हफ्ते में एक गोली उनको लेना है ताकि fertilization हो. So this is also used to help to avoid the pregnancies. There is unwanted pregnancies. Next is your permanent method. Last is your permanent method. In that case, two methods is there. One is tubectomy and one is vasectomy. This permanent method, which if we do this, so a lifetime till the male and the female partner, which are lifetime, they are not producing the child because there is the absence of pregnancy. A whole life till there is menopause up to the age of 50-55. In tubectomy, this is for female. A fallopian tube, a small part of fallopian tube, which tied and cut it, which get tied and cut it. So the ovary does not release the egg. If it is release the egg, but there is no gamete of formations. In your vasectomy, where mainly it's for male. So your vast difference, a layer which carry the sperm. What they did, a vast difference layer, we tied it and cut it. So the male partner does not release the sperm. So if there is not release sperm, if there is not release the egg, so there will be not a pregnancy occurs. Okay. Now the medical termination of pregnancy. There is the MTP. Well, I thought if you heard that, if you go in the hospital, so there will be board. The medical termination is totally prohibited. Medical termination, what means? To identify the gender in the female uterus, where maybe it's a baby, so a baby boy or a baby girl. Well, it's totally prohibited when there is a hormone of HCG and the amniotic fluid in the uterus. So it denotes the uterus. That's in the uterus there is a male partner or there is a female partner. उसमें घर में बच्चा है या बच्ची, वो आपको amniotic cavity से पता चल जाता है. So the government banned this under section MTP Act 1971 by the government. So after the 12 week, जब 2 हफ्ते का 12 weeks means 2.5 months. If the baby is 2.5 months, you can see the gender, whether it's a male or whether it's a female. But government acts due to the abortions, due to the mortality rates and due to the molality rates, the government bans totally. So always keep in mind the MTP Act 1971 is totally prohibited. If you go in the hospital, you can see there is a board. There is a Garbhalinga Nidhan ito hot nahi. So this act will be there. If anyone going to do this, he will be punishable. He will be offense. The doctor also and the couple also. Now, sexually transmitted disease. Well, this is happen when there is a sexual intercourse. if someone, the victim is get patients and the healthy one is going to be sex with him with a multi partner or a single partner which are not using the condoms, which are not using the diaphragms, so they will be transmitted of this sexual transmitted disease. That's so AIDS, HIV. So you have to be careful with that. If you are using the precautions, the condoms, diaphragms, or you can avoid the multi partner sex, so we can easily avoid the STDs. Okay, so today we stop here. We see the birth control, the methods of birth control, your natural interrupts, your lactation periods, your permanent method, that is vasectomy and tubectomy. In next session we see infertility. Thank you so much.